This is the foundation course in WordPress website development. Your objective is to start your own blogging website quickly, easily, and with minimal investment. My objective is to simplify the process of developing blogging websites one step at a time. Who can benefit from the foundation course in WordPress website development? It turns out many can. Students can quickly launch new websites as they learn the skills of website development. They can convert their projects into websites and take them to the world. Fresh graduates and young working professionals can add new employable skills to their resume. The certification can easily help them in getting a website developer role. Early founders, new entrepreneurs, and solopreneurs can quickly build a website for themselves. This helps them not only to save money but also to save crucial time in making quick website changes. They will be in control of their website. Freelancers and housewives can start offering website development services to their clients, thus adding new ways to generate more income. The foundation course in WordPress website development is an outcome-based course that will help you launch your blogging website. If you follow the steps and guidelines given in this practically oriented course, you will be able to launch your blogging website in few days, if not hours. It is that easy.